Hi Barbados! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Actually, right now I was doing some DIY because see, I'm wearing DIY shirt. And while I was painting, accidentally I broke one of my nails. The one gel nail just came off. Right now, I'm still waiting for the paint get dried. So let's not waste my time, but why don't I just put some easy cute nail art on my nail? If I'm missing one of my nail, I would never go out. Like even for 5 minutes walk, I would never go outside. So let me show you some easy nail art today. Okay, let's start. So far, I put clear and I already put in the light, and now I put this iridescent foil. The foil is so easy, you just need to put it and peel. Rub like this and peel. You see? This one is like sheer iridescent effect, so it doesn't really have color. After you put top coat, it looks even shinier, so even if it doesn't look that shiny right now. In clear coat, before you put in the light, I'm gonna put these round sequin. So I put one by one. I place like individually, and I don't put them random, but I put them in order, like darker shiny pink, pastel pink, and lighter shiny pink. Look, I put one heart here. How shiny it is! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ta-da! Okay, so put in the light one time. And cover with top coat. This one could be bumpy, so I do thin coat twice. It's better than one thicker top coat. Ta-da! Look how shiny it is. Almost like a real disco ball. I love it. I put this design on all other fingernails. Aren't these pretty? It's no filter. So shiny, like a disco ball. I love these nails, like so shiny. I love these. You need some patience to put these sequin one by one, but it's worth it, trust me. It's worth it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.